Whether your drone flies safely depends on the power system. Today we'll go through a few simple daily checks. Just look and feel. No special tools needed. First, inspect the blade route, leading edge, and tip if you see any cracks. Then check from the side for any obvious warping. Open both blades to see if they are deformed. First, let's start with the propellers. Remove the propeller mount retaining screws. Remove the propeller clamp. And check whether the washers on the clamp and under the blades are excessively worn or missing. Next, move on to the power system cover. Remove it and check for any cracks, damage, or corrosion. Then, take a moment to inspect the power harness jacket to make sure it is intact. Now we'll need to remove the ESC for inspection. Start by removing the ESC mounting screws and taking it out. Check that the ESC signal wire and positive and negative power leads are in good condition. Make sure a foam padding is applied behind the motor phase wires and ESC power leads, and that wire grommets are installed at all carbon tube cable outlets. When reinstalling it, there are a few details to watch. First, secure the ESC signal wire to the outside of the ESC mounting bracket using a zip tie. Make sure no wires are pinched, and confirm that the backs of the ESC power leads and motor phase wires are in contact with the foam padding. Finally, after reinstalling the motor protective cover, spin the motor by hand to make sure it does not rub against the cover. Last but not least, don't forget the tail plug. Check that the connector contacts are clean and shiny, with no blackening, skewing, or bent pins. If you notice blackening, apply a small amount of alcohol or electronic contact cleaner. Use a cotton swab to clean the gaps and contact tips. Wipe off excess liquid with a cloth and wait until the cleaner has fully evaporated before powering on. A few minutes of checking now saves you a headache later. Fly safe.